I'm Anil Kumar. Let's explore polynomial equations. Here we have a question which says determine x and y intercepts of y equals to minus 2 times x plus 5 times x minus 1 whole cube times x minus 2 square. Now when we say x intercepts, what does it mean? So let's calculate x intercepts for the given equation. X intercepts are the points where the graph of the function crosses x-axis. So at this graph cross, or it may even touch, right? So x-axis. Now wherever the graph touches the x-axis, at that time y is equals to 0, right? So the concept is substitute y equals to 0 to calculate x-intercept. So if I substitute 0 for y in this equation, I get minus 2 times x plus 5 times x minus 1 whole cube times x minus 2 square. Now 0 has a unique property. These are the factors. So we could get three different solutions. So one of them could be, we can equate x plus 5 equals to 0. That gives x equals to minus 5. We could equate x minus 1 whole cube equals to 0, and that will be 0 for x equals to plus 1. And we could equate the third factor, x minus 2 whole square, to 0 also. So that is at x equals to 2. So we have three different x-intercepts for the given polynomial. So we say our answer for x-intercepts is, so y value is 0, so we can write either minus 1 0, minus 5 0, 1 0, and 2 0, right? So these are the x-intercepts. Note y value will always be 0 for x-intercepts. Okay, now let us see how to find y-intercept. Now for y-intercept, x equals to 0, right? So we'll substitute x equals to 0 and find y-intercept. So we have y equals to minus 2 times 0 plus 5, 0 minus 1 whole cube, 0 minus 2 whole square, right? So that gives us minus 2 times 5, minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 2 square is plus 4, and that calculates to 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 4 is 40, right? So we just want to write the number, sign minus minus is positive. So the y-intercept is at plus 40, correct? So that is how we could actually calculate x and y intercept. So that is the y-intercept for us. In coordinate points, you can always write this as 0, 40, correct? Because the x value is 0. Now, in addition to this, I would like you to sketch the graph of this function. Now you know x and y intercepts, so you can practice how to sketch. So that is an exercise for you. So you can just sketch using the zeros, properties of zeros, and the y-intercept, right? So I'm just extending it to the sketching part. So we have, as you can see, three zeros. First one, let's say minus 5, then we have 1 at 1, the other one is at 2, right? Now leading coefficient is minus 2, that means right side is down, okay? Degree is 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6, even degree, both same ends. Is it okay? Now we look into each zero. This is linear, it will cross. We start from here. The other one is at cubic, so it is kind of like this. And then we have quadratic, 2 zeros. So multiplicity is 2, so like this. So that is the shape of the graph. And in connecting these, we get the graph. So you could practice sketching graphs also. So it'd be kind of like this. Is that okay? And then you can connect this part and bring it down. Perfect. And this is your y-intercept of 40. So we have these x-intercepts at 5, 1, and 2. Right? That's the origin. And that becomes the function. Is that okay? So that is how the graph is going to look. So that is just an extension But I hope this gives you a good concept of how to find x and y intercepts, and later how to sketch such graphs. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn. Thank you and all the best.